welcome back to my channel. Guys, I just finished filming a sit down video. I'm sure that video will be up before this one. If you haven't seen it, please go and see the video. Yeah, okay. I don't know if I mentioned that video that we moved houses too. You know, we changed our city, and here we're in a new city. So meaning we're in a new house. So I want to show you guys what our new house looks like. It's just a small apartment, and we are yet to do anything serious in the house, but I just want to show you guys what the house currently looks like right now. You know, then when we are done with everything we need to put in place in the house, then I'll show you guys an upgraded version of the house. So that's what this video is all about. It's going to be a house tour, you know, kind of not. This is just a small minimal house tour, nothing serious, nothing big. In as much as we still have some things to do in the house, but yeah, for now this is how the house looks like and how we're living in it right now. So I'll just show you guys what our apartment looks like, and yeah, let's go. Olivia, say let's go. Guys, she's my latest obsession. I'm so obsessed with this girl. Look at how cute she is, Mamma Mia. Guys, I'm sorry for the poor camera quality. Today's weather is really bad, and I can't film with ring lights because of it's gonna be like a vlog. So this is our door. This is what our door looks like from here, coming from outside. This is what our door looks like, and yeah, I have this pink stuff here. Shows I just had a baby and she's a girl. That's why it's color pink. If it was a boy, I would have put color blue, but it's a girl, so this is what it means. I have a baby and I have a baby girl. Yeah, so you enter the house. And this is what the house looks like entering here. First of all, let me show you the roof. It's a wooden roof, and I love this roof so much. This roof makes this house warm. It makes the house warm. Yeah, that's one thing about wooden roof. It makes your house warm. I know I'm the Europe. The cold here is nobody's mate. So yeah, the wooden roof keeps the house warm. If I on my heater, just about 2 hours, this whole house is warm. Yeah, so entering the house from outside, this is what it looks like. It's just a small apartment that contains me and my family. You know, we have the dining over here, and we have the small sitting room over here, and we have the parlor area, the sitting room area. Yeah, and this is me watching my favorite YouTuber, Laifa. Guys, sorry for my lighting. So this is me watching my favorite YouTuber. So this is what it looks like. And I have my kitchen at this area. This is my kitchen. A small, sorry Olivia. Yeah, I'm carrying Olivia, guys, in case you're hearing her shout or hearing her cry. So I have my kitchen. This is just this is my fridge. This is the small kitchen that contains me and my family. This is a small apartment and it contains me and my family. I like our new house. Yeah, that's my microwave, my blender, kettle. Yeah, and yeah, that's all for the kitchen. So I've shown you guys before. This is the parlor area. Olivia, sorry. This is the parlor area, and that's my favorite YouTuber, Laifa, right there. And I've shown you guys. This is the chair and the small dining over there. Yeah, we have our internet on the floor, our Wi-Fi on the floor, and going in this corner is like a mini closet. We have this very big wardrobe here that contains all our clothes. Yeah, this is our wardrobe that has all our clothes in it. Yeah, then there's this small passage where my children play and all of that. So yeah, and here, let me on the light. And here is my children's room. This is what my children's room looks like. This is Nicole's bed. She has a DV on it already. This is Nicole's bed. And this is Kaima's bed. This is Kaima's bed. This is Olivia's pillow. This is Kaima's doll or whatever it's called. Then I have my baby car seat over here. Then this is their toy. They have a bunch of toys. I have to pack some to my garage downstairs, so I just have a little toy. And there's this wardrobe here where I arrange our shoes and bags. Yeah, more shoes. Then the last place is their toys. Then this is Nicole's reading table and chair together. Yeah, it's a small beautiful house that I so much love. Okay, yeah, and this is the master's. This is our room. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm still gonna put in a mirror here, guys. I told you guys we are still trying to put the house in order. But now this is what it looks like. But I'm still going to have a mirror here to set my dressing table properly. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This is our bed. Olivia sleeps with us, so that's Olivia's tiny bed in between. Yeah, I have my laptop here and my baby wipes is here. Okay, and this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. When you come in by this corner, you have your, okay, let me go like this. This is the shower. We have our shower here, and I have our towels here. Then we have the toilets. This particular toilet, this seat is for wee wee, and here is for poo poo. Yeah, that's the brush over here, and this is me over here. And yeah, we have our washing machine over here, and we have our laundry basket over here. So guys, that's basically what our house looks like. It's a beautiful small apartment that I really love. Yeah, getting a house in Italy, guys, getting a house has been a hassle. We've been looking for a house for the longest of time. In fact, agencies don't give house anymore. Like when you go to the agency, they don't give houses anymore to black people. They don't give houses to black people anymore. And I will not even blame them, guys. Our black people cannot maintain house. Black people cannot maintain. When you get to some black people's houses, you'll be like, what is happening here? What is happening? If I was an agent, I would not give them house. The black people, they will not pay their rent, and they will spoil their house. Like, their toilet will be so bad that no. So because of that, they stopped giving black people houses. If you're looking for a house, even before I had Kaima, that's my second child. But thank God we moved into this place the day I left the hospital. I left the hospital down to this new house. Yeah, so I'm so happy we found this place. And you cannot get a house through agency. If you're a black person, especially Nigeria, they will give a Senegalese person than giving Nigerians. If you're a fellow black, you tell us to give them house than giving the Nigerians. No. We can do better. We can do better, actually, Nigerians. We can do better. For you to get the house as a black person, you need to know someone that is moving out of their own apartment. Then you want to move in. But if you want to go through agency, maybe you want to go through an agent, you cannot. They will not give you. If you just mention Nigerian, if you have fixed contract, they will not give you. They won't. It's that bad. So yeah, but I thank God you found this place, and this environment is so cool, it's so quiet. My new house is very close to my daughter's school. We were living before, she uses school bus. But our new house now, we don't have to pay for school bus anymore. It's just a stone throw. Supermarket is close to me, the post is close to me, commune is close to me, park where the children can play, and where you can also do gym. Everything is close to me, and I'm so happy. This house is just an answered prayer. Everything I need is around me. I just check it. It's just around me. So I'm so happy for this, our new house. I'm so happy. In my former house, I don't go anywhere because nothing is close to me. School bus comes to pick my daughter and drop her back home. Like, we have to pay for school bus, but now everything is just close to us. Everything that you practically need. If you're in Italy, if you have commune close to you, you have post close to you, you have supermarket close to you, you have your school close to you, like a children's school. What more do you want? What more do you want? So, and my children's doctor is just my children's doctor, my children's doctor, hospital, everything is just around us. I don't need to take my bicycle. It's just to trek, not to trek, just to strolling. Yeah, it's that close to us, and yeah, I'm so happy. So I'm going to end this video here. I'll see you guys, and I want to start on that video because my hubby and my children went to church, but once they come now, we are going somewhere. So I'll start up another vlog when on our way. So stay tuned. Olivia said ciao. Alright guys, I'll see you all in another video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all those good stuff. Please help your girl, and I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao.